Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to add friends on TikTok Now. Now, as you can see, we can invite friends here to our TikTok Now. We can click that if we want to invite someone. But let's say if we want to add someone, we click the middle button here. And then as you can see, we have new followers. We can follow back our new followers, or we have suggested friends, which we can also go and follow. Now, keep in mind, when it comes to adding friends on TikTok Now, you're basically following or unfollowing or following back, right? You're not adding friends. This is similar, but it's not exactly the same as in BeReal. As you can see, my friend here is this one, and then suggestion, we can go to suggestion and also follow or unfollow based on what we want. So let's say we want to follow back, we can follow back. As you can see, this account is private. You will need the user approval before you can follow, and then you just click OK. And once the user follow you back, you can view their TikTok Now. So you need to follow them and they need to follow you back in order for you to see and in order for you to basically see their TikTok Now. So this is basically how to add friends on TikTok Now. If you want to know more about TikTok Now, visit our channel. We are posting 5 tutorials every single day, and subscribe to this channel if you want to know more. Thank you guys for watching.